Here I have my phone Luna 2 and let me show you how to enter and how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me unlock the screen. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down to device tab and let's choose the battery. Here we've got some interesting specification about your battery. You can tap the more key in that corner and select battery saver. So to help improve the battery life, the battery saver reduces your device performance and limits vibrations, location services and most background data. If you would like to enable this mode, let's use the following switcher right here. You can also turn on automatically the battery saver when you have the 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. Now you can use your device in the power saving mode. If you would like to disable this mode, you can do it from every screen just by using upper bar and here by tapping turn off battery saver. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.